Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to look at a very special tool on a platform that provides it called Dropified. You can choose your dropshipping preferences and the #1 dropshipping automation platform for brand expanders, doctors and clinicals, and chiropractors, and anyone and everyone that is thinking about start selling their dropshipping products. And you can go using the two methods. The #1 method is the automated dropshipping for eBay and AliExpress, and the other method is creating and dropshipping your private label supplements. Now, dropshipping for eBay and AliExpress is very interesting, guys. So how does the dropshipping tend to work? It's very simple. The first thing that you need to understand is that customers order from your store and you order product from the supplier at a wholesale price, and the supplier ships the products to your customers and you keep the profit. It is truly as simple, straightforward, easy as that. Now, the dropshipping with Dropified is as easy as using Dropified to find products, import and sell profitable products from AliExpress, eBay, Alibaba, and more than 75 other websites. You drive traffic to your store using Dropified step-by-step videos, training, and start selling your products, guys. You can set up your Dropified to automate your entire dropshipping process from the fulfillment to the delivery, so you can find, promote, and automate, and it's as simple as that. Now, you might be thinking, why are individuals all talking about Dropified? Now, Dropified is a very unique platform, guys, and I always believe that when you have the tools that are available in today's time and period, we need to make use of those tools so we can enhance our businesses, scale our business, and effectively develop a successful project and a business enterprise where we can automate, sit back, relax, and become financially independent, and we could break away from the 9 to 5 and get the peace of mind that we always dreamed about. And you can do that with Dropified because everything that you need to run a dropshipping business is available. You can start your dropshipping business today with Dropified's suite of powerful tools and source millions of products and add them to your stores and automate the order processing. And when you take a closer look at the powerful features that you tend to have, you will be amazed at how quickly you can add products to your online store from AliExpress, eBay, and Alibaba, and many other supported sites. And one of the things that really makes it stand out is that there's no more copy and pasting order details. You easily send them right to your AliExpress, Alibaba, and eBay suppliers and place multiple orders with AliExpress and Alibaba in one click, and you don't have to waste time placing orders manually. You can place hundreds of orders in a minute. And at the end of the day, guys, once you have this powerful tool at your disposal, you would understand the actual ability to scale your business. If you look at all these organizations right now, they're dropshipping and earning millions of dollars. They're not doing it by searching individual products and placing them and selling them. They have automation available for them. They have tools working for them, and by providing all those necessities, they're able to scale their business. In addition to your store, guys, you can also easily list and market the same product you have on your store to additional channels of Facebook Marketplace and still dropship the product. What does this mean for your business? You know for a fact that there's more than 1 billion people that use Facebook every single day, and even if you can harness 1% of those audience, you'll be sure to make a profit at the end of the day. Even if you're able to sell 10, 20, 30, 100 products, you'll be able to get the financial freedom and the passive income to set up a life where you don't have any financial worries. You can find, import, and edit products as well, guys, because you can easily get them from different vendors, and you can edit the images, the descriptions, the headlines, and even remove the backgrounds, all within one platform. And when you combine all those elements together, you're easily able to fulfill orders, change suppliers with ease, and quickly add or change to a new supplier if yours runs out of stock, and easily have a unique variant of a product with advanced variant mapping. You can add custom tracking URLs to get sent to your customers, and you can add custom order notes to the suppliers to prevent them from sending pricing or promotional materials to your customers. You can automate pricing with the rules based on profit margins and shipping costs. You can also automate and to get notified of cost change management and inventory changes. You can bundle products from different suppliers together and fulfill with one click. And once you're able to do that, you'll be able to import the product reviews. And this is one of the things I always mention to everyone that watches my videos and are thinking of getting into this particular niche. The reviews are literally the cornerstones of success. If you have a product and you have no reviews, no one is going to buy it. Once someone reviews it, it will give an assurance to the next buyer that they understand and give an honest opinion about what they think about buying that product from your store. And if you're able to import so many reviews, any buyer that comes to your stores will clearly see that you have buyers, you have individuals that have bought the same product and they understood and got their honest review, and they'll be more willing to actually buy the product from you. So this is a very crucial point that you need to consider. And one of the best things at the end of the day, guys, is once you're able to connect all the dots in the proper way, you can track your profit. With the profit dashboard, you can get an accurate look at the money coming in and out of your business. And guys, this gives a lot of help for you at the end of the day. You have a clear understanding of your cash flows, you have a clear understanding of your business sheets, and you have a clear understanding of your profit and loss. And obviously, once you're able to financially make your business sound, you can easily track and sync your shipping information. And you don't need to worry about the tracking numbers because Dropified syncs them to the selling platforms that you choose. And for every order that's placed on AliExpress, you can even earn additional profits via the Dropified cashback program with AMZScout, because they are here to help you, support you, and to guide you. Now, once you've done all of that, I would suggest for you to head over to the actual pricing. Now, if you want to check the pricing out, you would need to log in, guys. And obviously, there's different methodologies that are available. So we're just going to log in straight from here and get into our store. Now, once you log in, you'll be able to see that we have a free plan over here. If you click on the free plan, you'll be able to take to the next page where you would have the plans and the subscriptions. Now, there's different elements that are available. The first one is a drop shipping per monthly, which is for $47 per month. You get 3 stores, unlimited orders, unlimited products, unlimited boards, and a one-click port from 54 different stores. If you go for the drop shipping elite monthly, that is for $97 per month. You get unlimited stores, unlimited orders, unlimited products, unlimited boards, and 54 stores as well. Now, if you pay yearly, you actually save a little bit of money. As you can clearly see, the monthly is $47, while the yearly is $39, and the yearly dropshipping elite is for $79. Now, this is how the dashboard looks like, guys. On the left hand side, you're gonna have your launch pad, you're gonna have your stores, your products, and you can find products and product boards as well. You have your orders where you can place orders and do tracking as well. If you look at the affiliate program, you can also become a part of the affiliate program. So this is actually giving you a chance to get individuals to use Dropified, and as they use Dropified, you get paid every month with a Dropified partner plan with top quality affiliate program. You can join today, see all the offers inside a powerful management system. If you click on applications, you can see your marketing suite, your product connect, your product control, your order control, your Dropified learning center, and your Dropified lab that is going to be available. You can have a roadmap, you can have sales channels, and with the marketing tools, you can always stay one step ahead of the competition, guys. It is as simple, straightforward, easy as that. Now, if you got any questions whatsoever, you can always drop us a message in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you like our videos, do subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media so more people can find out about how Dropified tends to work. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.